Alchemical Wizard 30, the omegas. There are really only two essential fatty acids. Alpha-linolenic acid, one of many omega-3 fatty acids, and linoleic acid, one of many omega-6 fatty acids. The biological body can convert these two essential fatty acids into all the other fatty acids the body needs, but our biological body is not always able to do this adequately for optimum health. For this reason, a wide variety of healthy fats are essential for optimum health. When our diet is lacking in these oils or when we are making too few long-chain omega-3s, our biological body makes do with whatever is available. We end up using saturated fatty acids and harmful trans fats in cellular processes. The fatty acids created are less flexible, which reduces the elasticity of the artery walls and the speed at which messages are passed between nerve cells in the brain. So why am I bringing this up for our Ascension health? Many of us are starting to eat more plant-based diets and vegan. Most of our diets have enough omega-6s and 9s unless we are eating a good Mediterranean diet. Consider that we need good brain functions to be able to use our discernment and cognitive skills. Having essential omegas in balance is crucial in optimizing our avatars, biological/light bodies, health. Omega-3s are a type of polyunsaturated fat. They're deemed essential fatty acids because they're necessary for health but cannot be made by our biological body. Thus, we must get them from our diet. Rather than being stored and used for energy, they play important roles in many bodily processes, including inflammation, heart health, and brain function. Omega-3 deficiency is associated with impaired cognitive ability, depression, heart disease, arthritis, and many other health problems. So keeping the omega-3,6,9 ratio in balance is important for overall health. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that have numerous health benefits. However, not all omega-3s are created equal. Among 11 types, the three most important are ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. ALA is mostly found in plants, while EPA and DHA are found in animal foods like fatty fish and microalgae. ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, is considered an essential fatty acid because it is required for human health, but cannot be synthesized by humans. It is in fact a plant-derived fatty acid. Humans can synthesize other omega-3 fatty acids from ALA, including EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. All vegan/vegetarian DHA and EPA supplements are derived from algae instead of fish or krill. While research on algal oil supplementation is limited, studies so far have suggested that its bioavailability and subsequent health benefits are comparable to that of fish or krill-based DHA and EPA sources. Okay, usually it's a completely natural and original source of DHA and EPA except when the algal that is being grown is being fed GMO corn syrup. But there are environmental benefits to choosing algal oil, like overfishing, catching fish at rates higher than fish can reproduce, that negatively affects ocean food chains, increases global food insecurity, and destroys coral reefs. Suffice to say, algae-based DHA and EPA supplements are a much more sustainable choice than fish-based supplements. Every cell in our biological body is surrounded by the essential fatty acids EPA and DHA. These fatty acids support our hearts and brains and allows the body's hormones to communicate messages to the cells. For an example, we eat a meal high in carbohydrates or sugars. Our bodies produce insulin to corral the sugars and drive it into the cells and get it out of the blood. Now with omega-3s in abundance this would be an easy clean-up process. Without them, the process would be slowed down radically. Let's just look at extra virgin olive oil for a moment. EVOO contains a small amount of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids and contains polyphenols which are a form of antioxidant. Polyphenols fight oxidative stress that can accelerate aging. EVOO contains a phenol called oleocanthal, which has anti-inflammatory properties similar to the NSAID class synthesized drug, ibuprofen. Omega-7 and omega-9 fatty acids are monounsaturated fats and are found in almonds, hazelnuts, avocado, and olive oil. Eating monounsaturated fats, like omega-7s and omega-9s, help your cholesterol. These fats are metabolized in a way that lowers the LDL, low-density lipoprotein, bad cholesterol but not the HDL, high-density lipoprotein, good cholesterol. A diet high in monounsaturated fats can help protect your heart as well as reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes, atherosclerosis, high blood pressure, and stroke. Now, I mostly eat plant-based and vegan, so I buy organic extra virgin olive oil and organic unrefined virgin coconut oil. When you pop organic heirloom corn seeds or sorghum or amaranth seeds in organic unrefined virgin coconut oil, you don't have to butter it. I also have a combo oil of organic avocado and virgin coconut oil. I also have an organic cold-pressed flax seed oil and organic rapeseed oil with sesame oil for the stir-fry and salads, yum! I also buy organic spirulina, cracked cell wall chlorella, Klamath blue-green algae and nori. I have all of the seeds and nuts because I not only like trail mix but I make my own version of a Northwest muesli mix as my cereal. This includes hemp-hulled seeds and pumpkin seeds, etc. My point here is making sure that we are sufficiently getting our balance of omega-3s and omega-6s for our endocrine, nervous, and our immune systems. We know how the cosmic rays, air showers, gamma rays, ionized particles, etc., can stress our endocrine and nervous systems and play havoc on our immune system. My hope is that we remember that food is medicine, and keeping a high vibration during these linear times can be our keys to an easier ascension transitional doorway. Blessings everyone! Foods high in omega-3s per 100 grams or 3.5 ounces. Salmon, 4.0 grams EPA and DHA. Mackerel, 3.0 grams EPA and DHA. Sardines, 2.2 grams EPA and DHA. Anchovies, 1.0 grams EPA and DHA. Foods high in omega-3s per tablespoon. Chia seeds, 1.9 grams ALA. Walnuts, 2.3 grams ALA. Flax seeds, 2.4 grams ALA. Flax seed oil, 7 grams ALA. Hemp oil, 2.7 grams ALA. Microalgae and seaweed, 100 mg EPA but higher in omega-6. Foods high in omega-6s per 100 grams or 3.5 ounces. Soybean oil, 50 grams. Corn oil, 49 grams. Mayonnaise, 39 grams. Walnuts, 37 grams. Sunflower seeds, 34 grams. Almonds, 12 grams. Cashew nuts, 8 grams. Foods high in omega-9s per 100 grams or 3.5 ounces. Olive oil, 83 grams. Cashew nut oil, 73 grams. Almond oil, 70 grams. Avocado oil, 60 grams. Peanut oil, 47 grams. Almonds, 30 grams. Cashews, 24 grams. Walnuts, 9 grams. Travis Carper. November 27, 2019. Blog on 3decrees.org. This audio file was created by Panopreter Basic. You can download it at www.panopreter.com.